In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show. When it does, just click on it. As you can see, after that my search bar was successfully removed. You can also hold your device's screen instead. Then, when you see all of those options, hold your search bar and drag it to remove section at the top. When you're ready, just let go. Then click on this check mark at the top right corner or simply home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!